Get ready to witness the next evolution in smartphone technology. Samsung has done it again with their one more thing moment, unveiling the ultra-thin and powerful Galaxy S25 Edge. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of this game-changing flagship that's set to take the UK and 38 other markets by storm. Welcome to TechVerse. Welcome back to TechVerse. Today, we have some exciting news to share. Alongside the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung surprised us all with the reveal of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Although the Korean brand hasn't confirmed a release date yet, reports suggest an upcoming launch in the UK and 38 other markets, although sadly not in the US. This phone is expected to be an ultra-thin 6.4mm flagship, bringing back the Edge branding for the first time since 2016. It might boast a stunning 6.7 to 6.8-inch 120Hz OLED display, providing a visually immersive experience. The camera setup is rumored to be top-notch, featuring a 200MP main lens, a 50MP ultra-wide, and possibly a 50MP telephoto with 3.5x zoom, though some reports suggest it might only have two rear cameras. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip paired with 12GB of RAM, similar to the rest of the S25 series. It's expected to run One UI 7 on Android 15, with Samsung promising 7 years of updates, ensuring your device remains future-proof. When it comes to battery life, there are still some uncertainties. Leaks point to a battery capacity ranging between 3,000 mAh and 3,900 mAh, with 25W fast charging and 15W wireless charging capabilities. While we'll have to wait for official confirmation, these specs are certainly promising. As for the pricing, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to fall within the range of £999/$999.99 and £1,249/$1,299.99, which is competitive for a flagship device with such advanced features. Whether you're a longtime Samsung fan or simply on the lookout for the latest in smartphone innovation, the Galaxy S25 Edge is definitely one to watch. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and powerful performance make it a standout contender in the 2025 smartphone market. Thanks for tuning in to TechVerse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech news. See you in the next video?